this is gonna be my gaming area. I am gonna. Oh geez. I am going to put a camera right over there. A camera, not like this, but a camera right over there with a stool right over there. Oh geez, I'm zooming in. Anyways, yeah, that's how it's gonna be. And anyways, I'll show you where my room is. Here's my room. Your fan spins and spins and spins and spins and spins. And my TV's gone! Right, I put it in the living room. Okay, anyways, here's my shoe rack. Shelves and shelves of shoes. There's the bottom shelf right there. And here's just my storage. Towels. And here's my bunny. Say hi to the fans, bunny. I just want a carrot. Yeah, I know. Anyways, here's my dark bathroom. I know the camera's dark and you can't see, but here's my grandma's room. I don't want to do this part. And let's go ahead and move on to my brother's gaming room. Here's my brother's gaming room. Here's my brother right here, right now. Doing something right now on his tablet. His room's back there behind it. Show you all. There it is, the black thing right there. That's it. It's just in a case. And I just left this here. And here's my back door. Yeah. Here's outside. Wait, I'll just get you a better outside view. And yeah, that's it of my tour. And I'll see you next time for my grown-up tour. Bye.